Growth becomes easier when your auto repair shop runs on systems, not memory. Bring your leads, appointments, follow-ups, reviews, reminders, and reactivation campaigns into one AI-supported CRM system. This allows you to automate the full customer journey, from first inquiry to repeat service. For auto repair shops, that means a lead comes in, gets an immediate response, books an appointment, receives reminders, gets a review request after service, and later receives maintenance follow-ups without your team manually handling every step. AI can score leads, suggest next actions, write messages, and identify customers most likely to return. This reduces administrative chaos and creates a more consistent experience for every customer. It also helps owners measure the true value of each marketing channel. A streamlined CRM can improve conversion rates, customer retention, and team efficiency all at once. That combination has a direct impact on both revenue and profit. Map your customer journey today and identify where AI automation can remove friction and recover missed revenue.